Take your business communications to the next level with TrashFlow's bulk emailing tool. Whether it's sharing holiday hours, weather updates, or changes to scheduled routes, this powerful tool makes it easy to keep your customers informed all at once. In this video, I'll walk you through bulk emailing in TrashFlow and show you how it works. Whether you're sending emails to customers from a customer list or a route sheet, let's dive in and see how this tool can simplify your communication. Please note that the bulk emailing tool is only available with TrashFlow's Trash Billing module. If you are not currently using the Trash Billing module, contact your salesperson today to learn more and see how it can benefit your business and save you time. What is bulk emailing? Bulk emailing makes it fast and simple to reach large groups of customers with just a few clicks. There are two simple steps to the bulk email process. First, create the email you want to send. And second, select who you're sending it to and send it off. To create the body of the email you want to send to your customers, start by navigating to the Reports tab on the front page of TrashFlow. From the right-hand menu, select System Reports and Information. Then, choose Edit Bulk Email Body. TrashFlow's proprietary document editing application will open, allowing you to create the body of your email. In this window, you'll find a few handy tools to make your email more effective. Tag buttons. These let you personalize your email by using tags like first name, which will automatically insert each customer's name. You can also add images, logos, and customize the email body to reflect your company's branding. Once you've finished typing your email, exit out of the document editing application and save it as a .doc file. Make sure to save it in a location that is easy to remember and give it a clear, recognizable name. You'll need it for the next step. The second step in the bulk email process is to send the email you created in step 1 to your customers. Start by navigating to the Reports tab on the front page of TrashFlow. From the right-hand menu, select Customer Reports and then Customer List. The Customer List info window will open. Here is where you will change the report format to bulk email and customize what customers receive the email. Click OK when the settings are correct. You will be prompted to select a file. Choose the .doc file from step 1. A pop-up will then appear asking if you would like to preview the file before proceeding. It is recommended that you do so to ensure the formatting is correct before sending it to your customers. After confirming the preview looks correct, exit out of it to continue and send the email. Next, enter an email subject and choose a message type from the drop-down. We recommend including your business name in the subject line so customers can easily recognize the sender, as emails are sent from netcom@trashbilling.com. Every bulk email must be assigned a message type before sending it. However, customers will not see the message type. It's only important because it allows them to opt out of specific types of emails if they choose. Finally, click OK. A pop-up will appear with a final warning notifying you that you're about to send emails to a large number of customers. If you're ready, simply proceed to send the emails. After the email is sent, TrashFlow will generate a report listing any customers who did not receive the email, along with the reason for the delivery failure. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our tech support at 800-708-8642. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and most of all, we appreciate you for being a member of the TrashFlow family.